Hey everybody, so this is just a quick video in case you have a Samsung dishwasher and you're getting a BE error on your dishwasher or a BE fault code. What is that error and how to get rid of it? So very simply, the BE error is a button error. So the machine is sensing that a button is stuck down, and you'll notice even if you push and hold a button for too long, you'll eventually get this error to pop up. So to get rid of this, what you're going to do is just go through each button individually and kind of wiggle it back and forth, push it a few times, and see if it's not sticking, and make sure they're all loose. And also make sure you get everything nice and clean. There can be some gunk that can get in between the machine and the button that can make it stick. So if you're able to wiggle all of these buttons free, you should be able to get rid of this error. And the most of the time, what's happening is there's a button just sticking because there's some food or gunk or something in there. If that doesn't get rid of the problem, it might be something more electrical that's causing it. You might need to replace the control panel. But just wiggling, and you're probably going to have somebody out to do that for you, but usually just wiggling the buttons back and forth and cleaning everything up will get rid of the BE error. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.